Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we use a Google Chat on our device, iOS or iPhone. So here I use a iPhone XR as my device, and first thing you have to do is just go open the Google Chat. If you cannot find the Google Chat application on this home screen, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until we go into the app library. In the app library, you just need to type in the search button a Google Chat, and after you find it, you just need to click it. And this is the looks when you haven't ever opened the Google Chat. So you need to sign in for your account into this application. You just need to click a get started, and now you just need to decide which account that you want to sign in with. Okay, for me, I already decide one. I want to this account is open into the Google Chat. You just need to click this button to change the color from gray to blue, means that you will be logged in into this account. And after that, you just need to go click down in this left corner button here, and now you just need to wait. And now here you already have your account open. And how to start the chat, you just need to click a new chat, and after that you just need to type the address of your friends here, the email address of your friends. And if you already have find, or if you already have a chat with them, you just need to go back in the frequency and just decide which account that you want to send the chats to. And after that, you just need to type whatever you want to say. Let's hang out. Okay, for example, do a let's hang out, and after that you just need to click send. There you go. And there will be work for the next chat. So just need to click a new chat and just add the email address, and after that type whatever you want and click send. That's all the way how to use a Google Chat on an iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.